Hey y'all, today we're doing something a little bit different to start the show. The last time Susan came over, she brought me a present. She did. She got me food dice. On the silver dice, there are different cuisines, you know, like Indian, Italian, Mexican, you name it. And on the gold dice are different types of food, you know, like steak, sushi, I guess, let's see, what else? Pizza, barbecue, that kind of thing. So what we're going to do is see what we're having today. All right, let's see. Let's get something good here and see if I can figure out how to order whatever combination I get. Okay, let's do this. Wish me luck. Ooh, Mexican. Okay, well that's possible if the places are open. Mexican sushi. Mexican sushi. Okay. Let's see. Let me go on DoorDash and see what I can find real quick. See if it's even possible today. Because I know there's a place that does that. Let's see. Mexican sushi. Mariscos Carlitos. Culichitown, Las Vegas. See, there's another place, Culichitown. I know I'm not pronouncing that correctly, but okay, let me see. Let me try the first one. I know I'm not pronouncing it correctly. I don't know. All right, let's do it. Oh gosh, they're expensive. I'm only going to be able to do like 2 rolls because they're like $23.40 per roll. Holy cow. That's a lot. Alianza roll. What is that got in it? On the inside, Philadelphia cream cheese, avocado, breaded shrimp. On the outside, spicy Tampico, anguilla sauce, chipotle, and chives dressing. That sounds interesting. Okay. Guamachulito. Oh God, y'all are gonna hate me for this roll. On the inside, Philadelphia cream cheese, shrimp, imitation crab. On the outside, avocado and Tampico served with eel sauce. Well, that's a couple of good ones right there. Okay, this one's, what else we got? Tres queso roll. Ooh. Inside, Philadelphia cream cheese, avocado, shrimp, prime skirt steak. Oh. On the outside, Philadelphia cream cheese and mozzarella. Okay, y'all. Well, I'm gonna I'm gonna go through this place right here and order. Ooh, hot Cheetos roll. Y'all had enough of my hot Cheetos. Let me look at the other place too, just to see what the prices look like. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, that's a. Woo. Okay. Kakaroto roll. What the hell is that word? It's Kakaroto. Yeah. Shrimp and surimi tempura, cucumber, avocado, cream cheese, avocado aioli, seaweed, eel sauce, and sesame. Interesting. Rochi roll. ROCHI roll. Cooked shrimp, surimi, I don't know what that is. Cucumber, avocado, cream cheese, seaweed, chipotle aioli, mozzarella, eel sauce, sesame. These are interesting. Hey man. Hey, at least they have it. At least it's something they have. Okay. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and pick and choose, and I will see y'all in just a bit. Okay. Pause. we went with Culichitown. And I'm going to go ahead and unbox everything and do some video and just have it all spread out for you guys. I'll do the best I can. And then I'll let you know what all I have as I'm doing it. But, okay. Be right back. Pause. Okay. I'm not sure this is the best setup, but I'm going to do my best here. I'm going to have to look up what all's in this sushi. Man. But I'm about to try this coconut. Open up. Dang it. Why does it have to be so hard? There we go. Coconut horchata. It's got a whole cinnamon stick in it. And it just went down my dress. It just went down my dress. Snuck right out from underneath the lid. Oh boy. That is really good. Ooh. Coconut. I'm gonna put that to the side, you guys. All right, what do we have here? Let me see. I'm gonna have to look up what's what, because this is some pretty sushi. Come on now, open up. Let me rate my dasher real quick, because it's not gonna let me. It's not gonna let me go on without that. Culichitown, and what did I order? Okay, what is what? I think that might be this. Alianda. You know, like Abiva is Abiva. This is Alianda. Or at least that's what the pronunciation said. But it's spelled Alianza, but Alianda. Sorry. Roll. On the inside it has Philadelphia cream cheese, avocado, breaded shrimp. Wow. On the outside is spicy Tampico. I'm not sure what that is. Anguilla sauce, chipotle, and chives dressing. Oh, that sounds about right. The next one is, that's the one with the avocado. On the ends, it's guamuchilito roll. On the inside is Philadelphia cream cheese, shrimp, imitation crab. On the outside is avocado and Tampico. Tampico, is that a hot sauce? That's a hot sauce, right? Served with eel sauce. One of these sauces might be eel. This is very thin. Wonder if that's very thin too. This looks like a spicy mayo of sorts. I think the eel sauce is on top of it. Okay, and the third roll I got is a Temptation roll. Lacunda's most popular roll. Crunchy tempura shrimp. Okay, I don't know what. I'm hoping I'm getting it right. Temptation, guamuchilito, and alianda roll. Okay. Crunchy tempura shrimp, smoked salmon, cucumber and avocado on the inside. Kanikama spicy toragashi and eel sauce on the outside. Okay, well, I might be wrong because this has some imitation crab on the outside. Oh, but I see the salmon. Okay, smoked salmon. This is the one. Okay, and I'm not worried about this getting cold or anything because I don't think they're actually hot. But yeah, that's what I've got. And I'm not sure at all about these sauces, but I'm going to open them up and taste them. Mmm. Ooh. It's kind of like a spicy mayo. Ooh, what is this? Mmm. It kind of tastes like soy sauce. Tastes like the same thing. Oh, what is this? That's a sriracha. Okay, you guys. And I didn't get any kind of utensil other than chopsticks. As y'all know, I have forks if I need one. But I figure I'll just use my hands if things go sideways. Ooh. Have some splinters. Man. I don't like these. I don't like those. Let me get the other one. Oh, that was messy. Oh man. Okay, that's a little bit better. Anyhow. Oh Lord. People leave me alone. This is gonna be beep beep beep. Okay, I don't even know what to start with. I'm curious about what these little side things are. And it looks like grilled onions and a grilled pepper, some kind of pepper. And these are, what is the green? This isn't, I'm bad at sushi. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna give up before I start. Let's see. Alright. As is, I like the imitation crab on top and the avocado. That's a deep fried roll. Oh my. Very good. The rice is crispy on the outside. Oh my goodness. What a mess. I'm gonna dip it in this spicy mayo concoction. Oh, that's really good. The shrimp on the inside, man. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get a fork. It's a good one. Okay. Oh. This looks like another fried roll. And cheers. There we go. Oh. A little bit of spice there. Wonder what the thought process is on the grilled onions, but they're really good. I'm tempted to taste the pepper, but I'm scared. I'm also very scared. I'm gonna do a little sriracha on this one. Very good. Ooh. This looks promising. I'm not sure how I'm going to feel about the smoked salmon, but okay. Ooh. Okay. So far, I think this one's my favorite. The Alianza. Alianza. So, Mexican sushi. This one tastes the most Mexican. This, it's hard to get past the flavor of the fried rice. Or the deep fried rice. And this one with the salmon. It said this is supposed to be the best and the favorite. It's a little fishy. It's the salmon. It's good though. I mean, it's good. Oh. I'm gonna put some onion on it. Let's see what that do. That's a big bite. Oh. Mm. 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 I wish I just stuck with 2. This one's good, but it was a last minute pick. Definitely not a big fan of the smoked salmon. Ooh-wee. Okay, I'm gonna stick with these 2 and which is sad because this was $26. So I'm gonna make myself eat it. I just don't know if I'm gonna make myself eat it today. Oh no, come on now. That's really good. Y'all, sometimes when you play with dice, you win some and you lose some. This meal was over $100. Over $100 for 3 sushi rolls and a drink. Oh, and I'm not a big fan. This one is really, really good. This one is good. This one's really, really good. This one's good. This one's eh. Oh, goodness. Well. Oh. So, y'all, I think the food dice did me dirty. I think the food dice did me dirty. Oh. I mean, honestly, I just didn't know what to order. I've been wanting sushi. But I've consistently stayed away from the Mexican style sushi because the only places that serve it are really, really expensive. But thanks to my new dice, I don't know. Next time maybe I should do like 2 out of 3 or something. Next time maybe I should like roll it a few times and give myself some options. Oh. All right. Let's see, a little of that sauce. A little of that sauce. Oh. I'm not loud. People ask all the time, is there anything that you don't like? I don't know. Don't like is a bit harsh. It's not that I don't like it. I don't know. Maybe I don't. Maybe I don't. I'm still eating it. Wow. Oh. Oh. It's not the place's fault. I'm sure somebody else would really enjoy this sushi. Oh. And I really don't want to waste it because this is money. I'm gonna eat this one. But if I don't like something, I'm not gonna force myself to eat it. This I could still probably eat. Ooh. Give me another onion. I love the caramelized onions. Man, I'm struggling. I'm struggling. Ooh. I'm gonna eat one more piece. Just one. Nope. I'm sorry, you guys. This meal is a big N-O-P-E. Nope. Nope. Pepper's good. Okay. Ooh, there it got hot. Yep. I am gonna finish this one. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Excuse me. Alrighty. Man. So, let's see. Where's my dice? I'm calling it. I'm not eating any more of this right now. Whoa. Alright. Next meal. I'm gonna try this, but I may or may not follow through, so don't hold me to it. But let's see. Let's see if I get something good for next mukbang. If not, I'll say so. Oh, shit. Nope. Nope. Indian sushi. Nope. Nope. Let's go. Mexican fast food. Taco Bell. Okay, let's do one more just to round it out. Well, not round. Japanese fast food. What is Japanese fast food? Let's do one more just. Japanese barbecue. Taco Bell. Taco Bell sounds good to me. Okay. Anyway, you guys. I'm sorry, I was just not into this at all. It's such an incredible waste. Food-wise and money-wise. I don't know, I might not be using these days. Oh, man. I might just to see. But Taco Bell sounds good to me. I may do it, and I may move it till later. Who knows? We'll see. Anyway, you guys, thank you for spending time with me. I know this wasn't the most fun video, but hopefully it was fun for somebody. But I love you guys very much. And again, I appreciate you for hanging out with me. And I will see you next time. Bye now.